What's up guys, Tim from SDR Motorsports. Today we're going to show you one of the easiest ways to transform the look of the back of your Razor Pro R. Super simple install, so check it out. This is our rear exhaust cover. So over here we have the exhaust cover. This is the way it comes in the box. It's already pre-assembled for you, so it's real easy to put on. If you want to change the color of the grills, all you have to do is just undo the bolts, kind of pay attention to how this goes together, get those grills powder coated to match your build, and put them on. They come with a nice brushed finish, so today we're just going to put it on the way that it comes out of the box. So like I said, it's a really easy install. Grab our tool, take these bolts out here, and you want to make sure you keep these little plastic washers because we're going to reuse those when we put the new one in. So to get this out, you just pull it out, these two clips here, and it presses in on the bottom there. Set that aside. Grab the new cover. Set it in place. Again, using that factory washer that we had. Put that in. Put this one in. Now you want to make sure that you line that plastic washer up with the hole in your panel. Kind of snap them in there. That'll make it a little easier to tighten everything down. Take your tool, tighten it back down. And that's pretty much it. We've got one more step. I'll show you how that goes. So we've got our drill. We've already drilled this one out, but basically there's two holes up here in the deal, and that's gonna just hold it on there nice and tight. So you'll take your drill, line it up with the holes, drill through the plastic on both sides, and there's nothing underneath there, so you don't need to worry about drilling into anything. Take your push pins that come in the hardware kit, pop those in there, get everything lined up, push them all the way in. Work it in there, just that. That's it, you're done. New exhaust cover. And this will work with most aftermarket exhausts. We know it fits with the Evo, Phoenix Speed, and some other ones, but double check with the exhaust manufacturer. But this is the same size cutout as the stock one in the same location. So if it'll fit with the stock cover, it should fit with ours. So check it out, available on the website. Get yours today.